Oh, bless his poor little cotton socks and his frilly knickers. He's parked in a bus stop. Oh, bless him, he can't read. Oh, it's a woman. No, sorry, my bad. Women are allowed to park in bus stops. She could have put her hazard lights on, but yeah, whatever. It's early in the morning, so fuck it. Somebody wasn't looking, were they? What were you doing? Can I see your phone in your hand? Yes, I can. You silly bitch. Oh, looky what we've got here. We've got somebody parked in a bus stop with mirrors folded in as well. They're not even in the car. They've not just stopped momentarily. They have in fact parked and abandoned their car. Oh dear, somebody's impatient today, aren't you? A very, 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 very special f***ing cunt right there. Hello. You're not texting, are you? You're not texting. I would hate to feature you in a video for texting while driving. You're not driving, but you're in traffic, but still, that's not allowed. You naughty little girl. That sounded perverted, I'm sorry. Naughty bitch. There you go. Naughty little girl. I sound like a pervert, don't I? Benji the... I'm not going to say it. Oh, red light. I didn't say anything because I didn't want to swear. Family friendly. Benji is not getting demonetized on this video. She was on her phone. I can't say anything. Because she's on. Oh my god. She was texting. I wanted to beep as well. I really wanted to effing beep. You silly bitch. Silly bitch. Stay within the lines, you idiot. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, can't anyone drive in a straight line round the corner? That sounds stupid then, I'm not a straight line round the corner. Keep within the lines even. They're all idiots, man. Oh, Jesus Christ, can't anybody stay in their lane today? You've only got a little car, it's not that difficult, is it? You divvy little cow.
But speaking to the Treasury Select Committee, Philip Hammond confirmed that the government
it's a red light, yeah,
scenarios. He also raised the prospect if there was no deal that there could be problems with flights from the UK.
So now he's green, you're just going to sit there. She's on her phone. She's just on her phone texting, that makes sense, doesn't it? Have a good look. This is what a dickhead looks like. That would be a red light because you could have stopped then. You're going the same speed as me and I'm loaded, so you got no excuse. Naughty boy. Police in a little Nissan Leaf. Oh, that's made my day, that has. That's fucking cheered me up a bit, that has. What idiots. Did you see that? He had his tablet on the steering wheel. Like, that was a huge, like, iPad thing. And he was just, I don't know, he might play Candy Crush or something, innit? How can you do that when you're driving? Nutter. Did you see that? He's right on his phone. That would explain why he was not able to drive in a very straight line. Oh dear Lord. Driving something that big with hazardous waste on. What a penis. Oh dear. Oh dear, 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 dear. Another person I can't read. That's the bus stop! You idiot. You could have just waited an extra 2 seconds and the road would have been clear. There's no need to swerve, was there? Nah. For those of you interested in stupid road designs, don't even think about it. There's no centre line. There's a gigantic cycle path or cycle lane on each side of the road. It doesn't look very big on camera, I know that. But trust me, it's about, what, 3.5 foot wide, this cycle lane? There's no centre line down the middle of the road, and it's quite narrow as well. I mean, you would struggle to get like 2 vans down it at the same time without going in the bike lane. This is quite a stupid design, methinks. But then I've been doing a lot of thinking all morning and I got a bit of a headache now, so whatevs. Move over! 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 Come to the loser lane. Become friends with me. Be a loser. Come over this way. Woo. None of them will do it. None of them will move over. Oh wait, come on. Yes, come on. Oh, I've got a friend. Dirty bitch. Check that out. Wibbly, 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 wobbly, wobbly. You would think you'd slow down a bit, wouldn't you? Shake that ass, you dirty bitch. Dirty, 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 dirty bitch. You're on your phone. Excellent, excellent bit of f***ing indication. But then, ooh, that is definitely dead. Beat it! A question for you, awesome people in the comments watching this video right now. Those L plates don't look very legal, do they? Aren't they supposed to be, I know it's a sad little thing to pick on, but they're supposed to have like a certain shape and a certain thickness of white around the outside. That looks a bit questionable to me. Let me know what you think, because I'm a bit confused. It's not even in English, it's in some sort of Chinese, Japanese writing, so is that how they... ooh, swervy swerve. So is that what they do in China and Japan or whatever it is? They have L plates like that? Let me know.
A cloudy start.
It
does get
my
much
God.
warmer over the weekend. By Monday,
What was that about?
Sunday and Monday.
I let her go, she looked at me, I said, go on, smile, give a big smile, and she just shook her head at me. What the f***? Oh, it's going the same way as me forever, I'm never going to get round it. What a knobhead. Shut up! Shut up! He was so loaded, all his load was coming off, it just went all around the side of my f***ing van. I hope I got his number plate in case I got scratches and dents. Check out the awesome outside lane hogging BMW. Yeah, we got another one outside lane hogging. It's a Mercedes this time. Another one outside lane hogging. Did you see him on his phone? What a knobhead. Dirty bitch! Couldn't quite do it. I tried, my man's got enough power.